Hi there! Welcome to ArchiX. ArchiX is an all-in-one AI visual suite that supports your creative workflow, from high-quality perspectives to cinematic video generation. Whether it's a photo, sketch, floor plan, mock-up, CG base, or elevation, our AI transforms your materials into photorealistic visuals in just a minute. Today, we'll show you how to turn a rough CG model into a photorealistic image. The process is simple. First, select your base image. Upload it directly from your PC or choose an image from your saved projects. Next, select the input type that matches your material and specify whether it's an exterior or interior. For this example, we'll select CG perspective and interior. Now, choose your output style. You can go with real for a photorealistic finish or sketch for a softer artistic feel. For the lighting, you can choose from morning, noon, or night according to what you want to create. Let's go with day, the perfect standard setting. You can create a beautiful picture with just this, but let's use a prompt to specify more detail. Let's type Japandi style, a very popular choice, and optimize the prompt for more detailed explanations. You can generate up to 3 patterns at once, making it perfect for brainstorming. Now, just wait 1 minute. As you can see, we've generated 3 different variations while maintaining the same structure. With our in-paint editing feature, you can easily remove power lines or add people and greenery to your generated perspectives. You can even use reference images to apply the look and feel of a specific photo directly to your own design. Furthermore, our video generation tool allows you to create immersive walkthroughs that bring your spaces to life. Explore the many features of ArchiX today and easily create amazing renderings in the blink of an eye.